Hey everyone, we're back again with another unboxing. And this time, probably with the most hyped up release since Pagani Design released their Speedmaster. But first, today I'm wearing the Didun Tiffany Blue Nautilus Homage. Super comfortable, super bang for the buck. Love it. So let's dive into this unboxing. Uh, wow. So I got the blue dial. It kind of looks a little blackish, but wow, those dial markers and hands, very crispy. Let's get this plastic off here. Okay, now plastic is off. You can see how crispy those dial markers are. Let's get that angle. Wow, love it. Titanium. So a lot of people have been discussing this bezel. I do have a lot of back play, but that's fine. I don't think I'll be using it that much because oh man, it's really tough. Because it's a countdown bezel. And it is a countdown bezel, so I don't think I'll be using it that much. But I'll post some specs up on the screen now. Let's just get it on the wrist. And there it is on the wrist. Honestly, it looks so good. I wish the blue was a little lighter, but because this could kind of almost pass as black, unless they sent me a black dial and I'm colorblind. But I think it's blue. It's a very, very dark blue. But wow, best dial I've seen. And that AR, very crispy. And the strap is comfortable too. It's a little thicker, but it is a very comfortable strap. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I forgot to throw in some loom shot, some loom B-roll. Honestly, it's so nice. I hope Tactical Frog makes a 39 millimeter Pelagos no date, because if they do, sign me right up.